Step by step.
Crayon steps. Crayon counting. 1 red crayon. 1 red crayon. 2 orange crayons. 2 orange crayons. 3 yellow crayons. 3 yellow crayons. 4 green crayons. 4 green crayons. 5 blue crayons. 5 blue crayons. 6 purple crayons. 6 purple crayons. 7 pink crayons. 7 pink crayons. 8 brown crayons. 8 brown crayons. 9 black crayons. 9 black crayons. 10 white crayons. 10 white crayons. 11 red crayons. 11 red crayons. 12 orange crayons. 12 orange crayons. 13 yellow crayons. 13 yellow crayons. 14 green crayons. 14 green crayons. 15 blue crayons. 15 blue crayons. 16 purple crayons. 16 purple crayons. 17 pink crayons. 17 pink crayons. 18 brown crayons. 18 brown crayons. 19 black crayons. 19 black crayons. 20 white crayons. 20 white crayons. 19 black crayons. 19 black crayons. 18 brown crayons. 18 brown crayons. 17 pink crayons. 17 pink crayons. 16 purple crayons. 16 purple crayons. 15 blue crayons. 15 blue crayons. 14 green crayons. 14 green crayons. 13 yellow crayons. 13 yellow crayons. 12 orange crayons. 12 orange crayons. 11 red crayons. 11 red crayons. 10 white crayons. 10 white crayons. 9 black crayons. 9 black crayons. 8 brown crayons. 8 brown crayons. 7 pink crayons. 7 pink crayons. 6 purple crayons. 6 purple crayons. 5 blue crayons. 5 blue crayons. 4 green crayons. 4 green crayons. 3 yellow crayons. 3 yellow crayons. 2 orange crayons. 2 orange crayons. 1 red crayon. 1 red crayon. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.